Hey, Vision AutoWorks here with a Hyundai Genesis headlight build finished up today. This customer actually had these lights built by a different company before us, and she had some issues with the lights, to put it shortly. Basically, the LED components used by the previous builder were the addressable type, or as commonly known as chasing. Starry Night, those types of strips that will flow. The problem with these strips is they're just extremely unreliable. You may be lucky and have no issues with them, but she didn't even have her headlights a week and they were already showing dead spots in some areas in the strips, and halos were just not showing the right colors. So we don't ever install these products. We just don't believe they're reliable. It's not worth the hassle to the customer, or to us having to repair these types of items using these sub-quality strips. So the first thing that we were going to do for her was to remove all of the LED components previously installed. So she had halos, these two strips mounted in the front, and a demon eye, and they were all the kind of the generic brand. This stuff is pretty cheap, and we decided to replace that all with the Profile Performance, specifically the Profile Prism products. We're going to cut this on. So with all the RGB Profile Prism RGB, they start up in white, and then once you have it paired to the phone, it'll go to whatever setting you have it set to. We have it set up in white right now, and we're going to show you the independent control over the LED strips per channel. So the Morimoto XBT controller has 3 output channels, and you can control up to 6 devices, and you can control more with a splitter. And actually with this build, we had to make a splitter because there's a total of 8 devices, so 4 per headlight: the halo, demon eye, and 2 strips. So what we have done here is we've tied the splitters on output channel 2. So channel 2 controls both of the strips. Now ideally you're probably going to want, for this type of headlight, the way it's set up, you probably don't want the strips to be different colors, so we're going to pre-wire like this for her. So the strips are going to change together, and we have the demon eyes on a separate channel as shown here, and then the halos on their own channel. So this spec and how we have it wired up here, she can have 3 unique colors in the headlight at a given time, or you can sync all of them together, like here shown. And so from the previous build, from the previous builder, she didn't even receive a projector retrofit for a really high price that she paid. So we decided to fix that as well. The projector, halogen projector, that was previously untouched with only lens etching, was removed, and we retrofitted the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenons in here. It's a nice swap-in projector system here, so it still retains the factory look, and we also basically made a custom lens etching stencil that was exactly like her previous setup. So yeah, we can do custom lens etching. This one says Queen K, and so if you have any ideas for your own build to personalize it, we can definitely accommodate. Now also with the Profile Prism products, a bonus is that you do get switchback function with them. So we're going to show the turn signal operation and how all of the LED products, except the demon eyes don't get switchback function. but the halos and the strips are going to blink amber. And you can see the factory turn signal working there in conjunction with everything. And then once amber's off, it goes back to the original color set. So it's really cool looking switchback function that's built into the RGB strips and halos. It's kind of a bonus if you go with the Profile Prism products. So really the only downside, and it's not really even a big downside, she just doesn't have the chasing features anymore from those addressable strips. But when you compare the reliability of those strips versus what we're installing, you're not going to run into headaches with the products that we're installing versus that other stuff that may be flashy but may fail you, very quickly, as was in this specific case and instance. Lastly, again, everything all white, just the more OEM look for driving down the streets. And basically we'll show the turn signal operation. This would be like more for a driving down the street setup, and then obviously with the RGB you're going to be like in a show, car meet type of situation. So yeah, we're going to have a headlight package for these Genesis coupes on our website. If you're interested, check on our website. We'll probably have them soon listed up. I know this customer is going to be really happy with the new setup and the increased reliability that she's going to have over the previous setup. And we always take care of our customers. Typically we don't take repair type jobs, but this one was kind of a special situation where someone paid a lot of money and really didn't get much. So if you have any questions, you can reach us at visionautoworks.com. You can submit a custom quote or check out our headlight packages, and our phone number and email address is also on the page. Thanks.